So now you'll see we're back to the trusty old skillet, cast iron skillet. In the skillet, we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to start making the sauce that we're going to put over the chicken when it comes out. So let's give it a tilt. Luckily, this pan is not really hot yet, or I'd burn myself. Those get really hot. The easiest way to cut prosciutto for this is just to snip it with my kitchen shears. The same ones I used for the chicken, I just washed them up, and this is going to be the fastest way. I take the whole package, which is about 5 or 6 slices or so, and I roll it together. I'm just going to chop it. And the prosciutto is just going to give another layer of Italian flavor, but it's going to be in the sauce this time, so you're using it in a different way. So once I get it chopped up into the pan, I'm just going to take my shears and I'm going to go over top of it. I'm not worried about cutting this pan up. It is a cast iron skillet. It could probably make it through a fire, a flood, a hurricane. I don't think you can do anything to hurt these things, so scraping the bottom doesn't matter. And that looks good. Just going to give it a flip around the pan with the spatula, and this is just going to make a really good base for the sauce. The prosciutto is also picking up any of the sausage or garlic or vegetable drippings that are left over.